Welcome everybody to another daily vlog, a vlog that happens daily, for now. Maybe in a week or so it might change, but for now it's still daily. I am also still in St. Cloud, Minnesota. I went out looking for a place to eat. I figured I would use my phone-like Google research skills, and try and find a place to eat. I went out hunting, but everything is pretty much closed still, other than pizza. So I went ahead and placed an order for pizza. But before I did, I actually took my truck and I went driving around, and I seen this little piece of water right here. And I said, "Wow, is there like a statue or something within that water that looks like it should be shot and documented?" So I went back and parked, hopped on the Segway, came down here to the water, only to find this. Not the geese poop. There's geese poop all over the ground. You keep your tires out of the geese poop, Segway, and I'll try and keep my feet out of it. Now, granted, I was driving on the road, and this object looked like something that it's actually not. It's just a rock. There's a rock in the water. But from way over there on the road, it looked like a frog statue, like a frog was poking his head up because there was some turtles on it that looked like eyes. And I go, "Whoa, that's something I got to go check out, Doc." I was wrong. Sorely mistaken. It's just a place to sunbathe if you're a turtle. Well, that was a mistake. A big mistake. I almost didn't make it back in time, but I did. I have my pizza. There is something about a thin crust pizza. I'm thinking it's healthier, right? I'm thinking that because I don't eat Domino's and stuff very often, and I'm trying to stay away from fast food, but their thin crust pizza is probably that thin. It's that thin. So that's like half the dough, right? Unless it's a special kind of dough that just doesn't rise. But it's like pita bread. It's really, really thin. So that's got to be better, healthier for you, right? I'm trying to convince myself because I ate the whole thing. I did. I ate the whole pizza in one shot. Well, now that the pizza is all gone, I'm totally empty, it's time to start heading back south, back to Florida. Well, coming down here towards Iowa, I definitely was not able to stay on interstate systems too long. Back out onto the country roads. And check this railroad bridge out. That is pretty cool right there. This is where it starts. The zombie apocalypse. It starts right here. I never thought of that before. This whole biohazard area. I'm not even allowed out of my truck. I thought these days were over. I thought the days of going through like a biohazard cleanup on your truck, that's what I just went through. I know with the last clip you seen it, I don't know what I was doing. I think I was parked next to corn like this. But they're going to load me. So I had to go through like a car wash. You guys know those car washes that do all that? It's like a big robot that just comes and cleans your car and does all that weird stuff. They have those for trucks right over here. And I had to do that just because it was like a biohazard cleaning to make sure I haven't came in contact with any birds or anything like that, because birds are like mosquitoes. They spread disease, I guess. No, it's true. And so I just came down this road. Now I'm over at this weird, crazy looking, scientific looking building. Check this out. can say. The people, I'm not even allowed out of my truck. This guy here is gonna slide my axles for me and open my doors. I guess I am allowed out of the truck, but I have to put a bunch of garb on. Even these, I have to put these on. These go over my flip-flops. So these are like little, let's see what they look like. Ooh, they're alcohol. So these are alcoholic boots. They have they're like coated with like an alcohol, and I have to slide these over my shoes. That's kind of weird. To walk out in the dirt, it's just dirt. But I have to put these on to walk out in the dirt so my feet do not contaminate anything around me. I guess the reason they do a lot of this safety stuff is because of the bird flu. I'm picking up eggs, and I guess they have lots of chickens and stuff around here, and they don't want people that have been in contact. Check this out. Or it doesn't say it on this paper, but it did say it on a big sheet of paper I had to sign before I came here when I got my truck disinfected. If you've been to a bird fair, or whatever a bird fair is, or came in any contacts with any birds across the United States lately, or you're not allowed on the property. And so they have this whole checklist. If you have done any of these things having to do with birds, yeah, you're not allowed on the property to pick up the eggs. This type of stuff stopped about a year ago, I think it was, probably about a year ago, at a lot of places, because the government figured, oh, there's no more bird flu, right? So they lifted the regulations just a little bit. But there's still certain places that strictly enforce it, and this is one of those places, which is kind of cool. I'd rather be safe than sorry, right? You don't want like a zombie apocalypse to happen because you were too careless and decided not to disinfect your truck. This is kind of funny though. You were given I'm getting loaded. You were given a biosecurity kit at security check-in point. It contains 2 disposable booties and 2 disinfected wipes. Wipe down the dash, steering wheel, and door handle of your cab. Wow. I did not do that. And it's highlighted. There are birds everywhere here. This must be their safe haven because they know they can't get sick here. They cannot get the bird flu. What's that guy doing? He's just sitting there. I think he's going to take a dirt bath. Come on, start shaking in that dirt. Nah, he's not going to do it. Well, isn't today's vlog exciting? Waiting for that bird to start shaking in the dirt. He's not going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and end today's daily vlog. Another crappy, non-eventful daily vlog. But that's okay. 2 more days. 2 more days I should be home and enjoying some pretty amazing days off. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. Really sorry about the last couple days. Really not much going on. I just been rushing as fast as I can. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish getting loaded here. Post this video so it's posted on a daily basis still, and start recording my trip back down to Florida. All right, everybody, I will talk to you on the next one. I love you all. Peace out, everybody.